In this video, we're going to be covering 5 passive business ideas for women that are not only realistic and beginner friendly, but scalable. These aren't theory. These are ideas we've used to build a real business. In fact, at the time of filming, we are averaging $6,582 per week using these exact methods. If you've seen our other channel, Molly Kaiser's, this is the exact kind of growth we're talking about here. And that's not from viral videos or million follower launches. It's from simple, consistent strategies you will learn today. And yes, we are busting myths along the way, so let's dive into idea number 1. So have you seen Gilmore Girls? You remember when Lorelai built her dream business, the Dragonfly Inn? One day at a time, despite every challenge being thrown at her? That's what building a YouTube business is like. You start with what you have and you let consistency be your superpower and your motivator. YouTube is so much more than just a video sharing website. It's the second largest search engine in the entire world, and it's a true machine for visibility. Unlike Instagram, where posts vanish in like 24 hours, YouTube videos can bring traffic and income years later. The business model is actually simple. Create videos around searchable evergreen topics, get views consistently, and monetize through AdSense and by sending viewers to your digital products. Here's why this is so powerful. When somebody finds your video, they're actively searching for help. That makes them so much more likely to actually trust and buy from you. Let's go ahead and just break it down, right? Once you meet YouTube's partner program requirements, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours in the last 12 months, you can start making money from ads. Depending on your niche, you might earn $2 to $20 per 1,000 views. If you post videos in high-earning niches like digital marketing, productivity, or finance, your CPM, or cost per 1,000 views, could be even higher. Now, let's say you post 1 video per week. Each video brings in 1,000 views per month at a $10 CPM. That's $10 per video per month in AdSense. But you're also linking to your digital product, a $27 planner or template. Even at a 1% conversion rate, so 10 sales per 1,000 views, is $270. Now, multiply that by 4 videos per month. That's $1,120 per month from just one small channel. Add in AdSense and you're well past $1,200 per month passively once the videos are up. You don't need to be viral, you just need to be consistent and show up in a way that people resonate with. We once posted a video that only got about 800 views in the first 2 weeks. It wasn't flashy, just a simple tutorial about using ClickUp. But guess what? That video brought us over $900 in product sales in the first month because it was hyper targeted. That right there is the magic of YouTube. Just to clarify, the proof I'm talking about here is from Molly Kaiser's channel, one of the channels in our YouTube creator network. If you are nervous about being on camera, don't worry, we've all been there. Many channels grow by adding in things like screen recordings, screenshots, and slideshows. You don't need fancy lighting or the perfect setup, you just need a clear message. And the best part of all, these videos become assets. One good video can work for you forever. I mean, literally. We have videos from 18 months ago still driving traffic and sales. That right there, guys, is the definition of passive income. If you started a YouTube channel this month, what would your niche be? Comment below. I would love to hear your ideas and support you. But first, if you want to learn our entire process along with copy scripts, Canva templates, and other done-for-you tools, be sure to check out our new free training linked in the description below this video. Let's talk about one of the most accessible and underestimated ways to earn passive income. Ebooks. If you've ever helped a friend by explaining how to organize a kitchen, plan a wedding, or get their toddler to take a nap, you already have what it takes to create a best-selling ebook. Ebooks are short, focused PDFs that help somebody solve a super specific problem. Think of them like online guides, like 10 to 15 pages, selling from $7 to $59 depending on the depth and weight of the ebook. They can be designed on Canva and hosted on a platform like System.io with a checkout page and delivery automation, so you don't even have to think about it once you put it up. Say you're a teacher who has a knack for, say, classroom organization. You write a 20-page ebook titled The 3-Day Teacher Tidy Up System. You design it in Canva, turn it into a PDF, and list it for $9. You promote it with a video that gets 10,000 views. Even with a 0.5% conversion rate, that's 50 sales, which equates to $450 from one video. Now you might be thinking, but I'm not a writer. You do not have to be. Bullet points, spreadsheets, checklists, frameworks, they all work great. People want results and quick wins, not fluff and random stuff. You are very likely sitting on ebook ideas and gems without even realizing it. Your camera settings guide, your meal plan for picky toddlers, your daily planner format. Package it, polish it, price it, and promote it simply. Okay, now remember that scene in Legally Blonde where Elle Woods owns that courtroom just by knowing her stuff and showing up confidently? That is the kind of energy you can bring to workshops. You do not have to be a professor for these. You just have to be one step ahead and the willingness to share what you know. A workshop is a live or recorded online class. It's usually 60 to 90 minutes where you teach a skill or walk through a process. You can host it on Zoom or Google Meet, record it with Loom, or pre-record it with slides and a voiceover. The key here, as with all digital products, is making it super specific. So think things like how to plan 30 days of Instagram posts in 60 minutes. Launch your first $7 digital product in a weekend. Get your first freelance client without a website. Let's say you price your workshop at $37 and offer a workbook alongside it as a bonus. You promote it for 10 days on YouTube, offering early bird pricing at $27 for the first 20 buyers. Even if you only sell 50 seats, that is $1,500. You can record it, edit the replay slightly, and then turn it into an evergreen product. Now you might be thinking, I'm not confident teaching live. Okay, so you're gonna start by pre-recording it. Many top earners only run pre-recorded workshops nowadays. Maybe you're saying, well, I don't have an audience. Workshops convert even with a tiny list, especially if you post personally. People buy you, not just the info. That's why it pays to be relatable and show up as yourself. Here's a pro tip. Add a workshop or a bonus Q&A replay and bundle it for $47. That little $10 bump adds hundreds in revenue with little to no effort. If you've ever coached a friend or explained something on a call, or even just mapped out a plan for yourself, you already have what it takes. You do not need to go viral. You need to go specific. Pick a niche, solve one specific clear problem, host one workshop, and then repeat. Do you have a Google Doc you copy and paste from every time you onboard a new client? Or maybe a spreadsheet you use to track your own habits? Guess what? That is a digital product in disguise. Templates are reusable digital files like spreadsheets, checklists, slide decks, or planners, all things that, guess what, save people time. You've probably already bought one without even realizing it. A resume layout, a meal planner template on Canva, or a social media calendar on Creative Market. And the best part, you are truly already using these things in your life. If you're already using these things in your life or even your business, you're halfway to creating that product. Let's take Notion, for example. Maybe you've built your own Notion dashboard to plan content, manage your finances, and journal your ideas and goals. With a few tweaks and a how-to video, you could turn it into a $27 Notion OS Life template. You could sell it on your own landing page using System.io, which is free, and say you sell just 3 copies a day at $27. That's $2,430 per month from a file you made yourself that you were already using on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. Or let's take Canva, for example. You create an Instagram story template for your own business. Package 20 of them into a $19 bundle, promote it with a tutorial video on YouTube, and link it in your About section. If you sell 200 in a month, that's $3,800 of passive revenue. So let's talk about some mini examples, right? What about a wedding planner spreadsheet priced at $17? These sell like crazy. Or a business budget template priced at $12. These are great for freelancers, creators, and even coaches. Or let's go with a client welcome packet template priced at $29. You could use this in design, coaching, even copywriting. Do you see how many ideas are already out there that you're possibly already using, or even friends and family are looking for? You can create that. Okay, now you might be thinking, yeah, but my templates might be a little bit too basic. Let me tell you something. What is basic to you might be gold to somebody that is 2 steps behind you. People are not just paying for design, they're paying for the time that they'll save and the clarity that they'll gain from this product. So go ahead, look through your Google Drive, look through your Notion, look through your spreadsheets, your Canva folders. If you've ever built something to save yourself time, somebody else is willing to pay for that. Keep it simple, package that file, add a short instruction guide on how to use it, upload it to System.io with a checkout page, and then share it in your YouTube content, and you're done. Okay, so we all know Facebook groups are a little bit chaotic, right? And then Instagram comments disappear, and email is, well, kind of lonely. That's why community-based platforms like School are changing the game for digital business owners. School is an all-in-one community platform that lets you host a private group, organize content, create gamified challenges, and even track member progress, all inside one clean, concise, beautiful space. Think of it like a Facebook group, a course platform, and Zoom had a baby. Here's the simplest way to use something like School. Create a $29 per month membership, offer value through short weekly lessons, monthly challenges, and a private space where people can ask questions and interact with other members. If you enroll just 50 people, that's $1,450 a month in recurring revenue. So here's what I love and what makes School so powerful. People actually show up and participate. It's distracted free, unlike Facebook. If you know, you know. The scrolling, distracting. Other people's comments on things outside of what the group's about, distracting. And you can drip content, run leaderboards, or assign points for engagement. You can even turn your ebook or workshop into a membership. So for example, taking from that ebook, maybe week 1, you post a mindset video. Week 2, a systems template. Week 3, you host a live Q&A. And week 4, you host a challenge with prizes. Who doesn't love that? Each month, it's repeatable and scalable, and it keeps people coming back because it's engaging and it's fun. You don't need to be a coach or have a big, exuberant personality. You just need a topic that brings people together and a topic that people have questions on. That could be moms who preschool, solopreneurs learning Notion for the first time, or women over 40 who want to write their first book. And remember, you can literally start with as few as like 3 to 5 members. Then invite 5 more, then 10. Memberships grow slowly but steadily. And the best part is you are building connection. That's priceless, that's profitable, and guess what? That's what people crave. And if you'd like our exact YouTube script template so you can script your own videos to grow on YouTube, you can grab it completely free in the link in the description below this video. Okay, so let's wrap with this. You are not behind, you are not too late. You do not need to do it all to make money online. You just need one idea and a little courage to see it through and stay consistent. Please keep in mind and remember that done is better than perfect. Clarity comes from taking action, and $7 products are powerful starters for you. We've worked with hundreds of women that were scared, overwhelmed, and quite frankly, confused. And every single one of them started with something tiny, a 1-page ebook, a 20-minute Zoom call, even the little digital checklist. But this is the kicker. Your ideas matter. Your knowledge has so much value, and your voice can change lives along with your own. But seriously, you've got this. And remember, if you want to learn our entire process with copy scripts, Canva templates, and other done-for-you tools, be sure to check out our new free training linked in the description below this video. Now that you know 5 passive business ideas for women that are realistic and beginner-friendly, you might be wanting to learn how to sell digital products with AI as a beginner and the platform that we use. But how do you do that? Well, it all starts by watching this next video here, because when you pair what you just learned with what's in this video, it is all way more powerful. I will see you in the next video.